Tri-County Regional Planning Commission was awarded a federal grant to facilitate planning in the Tri-County region that would lead us to become a more sustainable community.
So the first thing tonight, we're here at the middle school. We're having a kickoff meeting here in Meridian Township, and we're inviting the community in to brainstorm ideas, to get their ideas of what's important to them for the future of this area.
We're demonstrating how to do charrettes-based planning. We've hired an internationally recognized firm, the National Charrette Institute, to help us learn how to conduct this kind of planning.
Well, the best plans are made by many hands. We collaborate through design. We try to come up with the best solutions for the vision and plans for this corridor by getting as many people involved in the discussion, along with the experts.
So we seek a vision, and then once you've set that vision with the community, we all have something to target as we move forward little by little, developing and doing new development projects.
It's a lot of fun. It's like jumping into a big design whirlwind. Drop by our studio at 325 Grand Avenue, Suite 800. Come to the Hannah Center Wednesday night the 30th at 6:30 for the final presentation. That will be a great presentation.